Namaste and welcome you all in our YouTube channel Nepal Veterinary Education. Today we discuss about most important questions from veterinary pharmacology with answer. Question number first, rifampicin acts by option number first inhibiting cell wall synthesis, option number second inhibiting RNA synthesis, option number third inhibiting transfer of amino acids, option number D none of these. The answer is inhibiting RNA synthesis. Question number second, deep green color feces of animal indicates option number first lead poisoning, option number second mercury poisoning, option number third zinc poisoning, option number last copper poisoning. The answer is copper poisoning. Question number third, garlic odor of gastrointestinal tract contents is suggestive of option number first nitrate poisoning, second hydrocyanide poisoning, third alkali poisoning, and last phosphorus poisoning. The answer is phosphorus poisoning. Question number 4, basophilic stripling is observed in option number first lantana poisoning, option number second ergot poisoning, option number third lead poisoning, option number last wasp sting. The answer is lead poisoning. Question number 5, active transport across the cell membrane is option number first carrier mediated, option number second energy dependent, option number third along concentration gradient, option number D or last both A and B. Answer is both A and B, that is carrier mediated and energy dependent. Question number 6, the following is true regarding plasma protein binding. Option number first acidic drug are bound to the albumin fraction, option number second basic drug are not bound to the proteins, option number C as third highly plasma protein bound drug have short half-life, option number last plasma protein binding site are non-specific. The answer is acidic drug are bound to the albumin fraction. Question number 7, if a drug is subjected to hepatic first pass effect, option number first it may be effective orally if given in high doses, option number second a chemical analog resistant to hepatic metabolism may be given orally, option number C responses to the oral drug is more in the presence of hepatic dysfunction, option number D all of these above. The answer is all of the above. Number 8, hepatic cytochrome P450 activity is inhibited by the continuous use of option number first cimetidine, option number second spironolactone, option number C ethyl estradiol, option number D all of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 9, idiosyncratic drug response. Option number first is a form of hypersensitive reaction, option number second is usually caused by genetic differences, option number C may be by the immunologic mechanisms, option number D both B and C. The answer is both B and C. Question number 10, neostigmine is option number first is a tertiary amine, option number second actions are not completely blocked by atropine, option number C radially crosses blood-brain barriers, option number D acts only by inhibiting acetylcholinesterase. The answer is actions are not completely blocked by atropine, that is B. Question number 11, mushroom poisoning is option number first of rapid onset type is by Amanita muscaria, option number second of delayed onset type is by Amanita phalloides, option number C of delayed onset type is by treated symptomatically, option number D all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 12, atropine decreases the following secretions. Option number first gastric juice, second milk, third pancreatic secretion, and last sweet salivary and lacrimal secretion. Answer is option number D sweet salivary and lacrimal secretion. Question number 13, D-tubocurarin is a glycoside, second obtained from Chondrodendron tomentosum. Option number C, rapidly absorbed orally. Option number D, completely metabolized in liver. The answer is obtained from Chondrodendron tomentosum. Question number 14, sodium channel is not inactivated by. Option number first, lidocaine. Second, verapamil. Third, tetrodotoxin. Option number D, batracotoxin. The answer is verapamil. Question number 15, histamine. Option number first, causes bronchospasm. Option number second, causes increased capillary permeability. Option number C, produces fall in blood pressure. Option number D, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 16, ranitidine is preferred over cimetidine as it. Option number first, does not inhibit hepatic microsomal enzyme. Option number second, does not increase prolactin level. Option number C, is much less and convenient to patient. Option number D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 17, PGF2 alpha causes. Option number first, vasoconstriction. Option number second, bronchoconstriction. Option number third, uterine contraction. Option number D, all of these above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 18, an oral antifungal agent is which of the following? Option number first, sopronol. Option number second, Desenex. Option number third, ondesilenic acid. Option number D, graciofulvin. Answer is option number D, graciofulvin. Question number 19, which of the following are the most effective in treating rickettsial infection generally? Option number first, penicillins. Option number second, tetracyclines. Option number third, sulfonamides. Option number D, cephalosporin. Answer is tetracycline. Question number 20, histoplasmosis is best treated with. Option number first, penicillin G. Option number second, amphotericin B. Option number third, ampicillin. Option number D, tetracycline. The answer is amphotericin B. Option number B, that is. Question number 21, most diarrhea remedies contain. Option number first, kaolin. Second, benzocaine. Third, citrate. Last, aluminum oxide. The answer is kaolin. Question number 22, betadine contains. Option number first, benzocaine. Option number second, beta methionine. Option number third, povidone iodine complex. Option number last, gentian violet. Answer is povidone iodine complex. Question number 23, colchicine is used mainly to treat. Option number first, gout. Second, arthritis. Third, diabetes. Last, carcinomas. Answer is gout. Question number 24, the action of digitalis is enhanced by. Option number first, sodium. Second, chlorine. Third, magnesium. Last, calcium. The answer is calcium. Question number 25, question number last, EDTA is antidote for which of the following? Option number first, sodium sevabarbital. Option number second, aspirin. Option number third, phosphorus. Option number D, lead. The answer is lead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Nepal Veterinary Education. Thank you.